Hi guys, Paula here. I've got Willow here with me, and the reason I have Willow with me is I have a box opening. Now, this box opening is, you're probably thinking, why? Basically, it is the Laura-Lee Eagles Baby Medical Limited Edition 1400 worldwide by Laura-Lee Eagles, and she's number 241 out of, let's just double check, no sorry, she's 1091 out of 1400. And she's in this box here. Now, she was from Blueberry Babies, and the Reborn artist is Leslie Dax. Leslie Dax. And this is her certificate of authenticity and her pictures. Now, the reason I have got two medicals by Laura-Lee Eagles is I just absolutely love the sculpt. I ordered this baby that I've arrived today a couple of months ago. I had her custom made, and then about 2 weeks ago, Stephanie Ortiz, which I've always wanted one of her babies, she had medical for sale on eBay, and I just had to have her because I really wanted to have a baby from Stephanie. So I got her, even though I had a medical which I had custom done for me, being Reborn. So that's the reason why I have two medicals, but they're both very different. Willow has jet black hair and jet black eyelashes, and she's a bit lighter than this baby. This baby weighs 6 pounds 2 ounces, and she's 20 inches. So that's the story and why I have two medicals by Laura-Lee Eagles. But I just love the sculpt so much, so that's why I ended up with two, because I really wanted one of Stephanie's babies, and that's what she had for sale on eBay, and I just couldn't pass it up. I really couldn't, because Willow is just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, her hair is just stunning. It really is, the painted hair. If I just show you around here, she's got gorgeous hair, guys. So let's get to it and open up this one here. I've just opened the box, that's all I've done. So let's get in here. I'm doing this one-handed, guys, as usual. Oops. I have a boppy cushion ready for her. She doesn't come with any extras or anything, I knew that, but that's fine. She should have a belly plate. That's not in there, so let's get rid of the box. Perhaps she's got it on. Must have. Okay. Oh, this is a gorgeous blanket. I think she handmade the blankets. Leslie, I think she knits them herself. Okay, this is exciting, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Right, oh, what a gorgeous blanket. Okay, here we have feet. You can see little feet. Oh, wow. She's totally different in colour from Willow. She's a real peach colour. Beautiful nail tipped nails, and she has lots of mottling and veining going on there, and same with this leg. Let's see, I don't want to reveal her head just yet. Yeah, she's wearing her belly plate. I thought she was, because I wondered why that wasn't in the box. Oh, she's got a cute little bracelet on. Isn't that sweet, guys? Little jingly bracelet. But yeah, her colouring is completely different from Willow. Willow's a lot lighter. She's definitely got peach blush to her. Yeah, so... Oh, look. She's cuddling a little goose. What does that say? Once upon a time. Oh, it's Beatrix Potter Soft Toys. That's gorgeous. I love her outfit she's wearing. That's really pretty. So are we ready for the big reveal, guys? Oh, baby girl. Hello. Hello, baby girl. Let's just move your hat a little. Oh, look at her outfit, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah. Oh, wow. She does look so much different. She's got Passy in. She does look so much different from Willow. Her eyelashes are a blondie brown colour, but she does look different. It's amazing how the sculpts can look different by what the artist does with them. So let's just get her on this boppy cushion, then we can have a better look, and then I'll show you her blanket she came in. It's a beautiful hand knitted blanket. That's gorgeous, and it's got I don't know if you can see, but it's got a teddy bear in the middle of it. It's all hand knitted. I know that Leslie does the blankets, but look, it's got big teddy. Isn't that amazing how she can do that? Fantastic. And she takes a Passy, which is magnetic. So this is her, guys. Isn't she amazing? Let's get ready for the hair. It's painted hair. Oh yeah, totally different from Willow. Totally different. She has light brown hair, almost a blonde, strawberry blondie. No, I wouldn't say strawberry blonde. Let's see if we can get that. She's got a nice swirl on the top there, but totally different from Willow. Wow. If I just bring Willow, no, wait a minute, if I bring her over, you can see Willow, and then this new little girl. Don't they look so different? Isn't it amazing how the sculpt can be different? Let's see now. Let's see her belly plate. And get her little pantaloons off, little frilly knickers. She's full arms and full legs, which is fantastic. Hang on, guys, just a sec. I'll just pop you down just a minute. Sorry about this, guys. I just... Oh my goodness, guys. You should see got a nappy, a fluffy nappy and pin. Isn't that cute? Oh. And there's her belly plate. Different from Willow's. Willow has a black scab in hers. This one is different. But wow, it's absolutely, the paint work is amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. Lots and lots of mottling, which I love. Lots of veins. But yeah, that's her. And that's the difference you can see between her and Willow. And are you ready for her name, guys? Her name is Bluebell. Yep, so welcome home to little Bluebell. She joins the family of 5 reborns that I have now. The collection is growing. And I am reborn pregnant, guys. So there's more to come, and I have a big surprise, so stay tuned for that. But thanks for watching, guys, and I really appreciate you viewing my videos. And I'm just absolutely over the moon with her. She's gorgeous, my little Bluebell. I'm so happy with her, and also so happy with Willow as well. But I just cannot believe how different they look. It's like 2 different babies. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. So yeah. But I hope you're having a good day wherever you are in the world, or a good night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. And if you're new, please subscribe, and please thumbs up the video and leave comments down below, because I love to hear from all you reborn mummies out there. I try to answer the comments, as many as I possibly can, guys. Because I'm on morphine, it's not easy, because I feel drowsy, and it's difficult sometimes to concentrate, and when you're feeling really sleepy, to answer comments. But I do try my best to get onto that, and the best thing is to leave it in the current videos, so that I can, save me going into each and every individual video. So leave them in the most up-to-date video, and that's best for me, and I will reply to you. But please don't be offended if I don't reply to you. Doesn't mean you're different to anybody else, because I love you all very much. And I just wanted to say it's fantastic being accepted into the reborn community. It really does make a big difference in your life. It's great to make friends all around the world. But yeah, so that's Bluebell. And I just want to say thanks for watching, guys. And I have my next video, I have a haul. So stay tuned for that, and that will be up next. So yeah, another box opening today. The babies are coming in one by one into this house. They're starting to take over. So that's 5 babies now, guys. I don't know. I just love Reborn so much. I never thought it would take off so much as what it has done after receiving baby Melissa. But so thanks for watching, guys. I won't keep you any longer, because this video's got way too long. So take care, everyone, and thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.